If you can't control people, someone else is controlling you. But what if I told you there's a psychological trick that can make almost anyone obey you, without begging, without shouting, and without threats? You need this, because in today's world, obedience isn't about power. It's about influence. Ever been ignored in meetings? Ghosted by friends? Disrespected by people who should listen? That's not bad luck, it's psychological leverage, and right now, you don't have it. So, let me hand it to you. And no, you don't need a PhD or a mind control laser. Unless you're building one, in which case, call me. Here's the trick: command with certainty. Research shows that people obey those who sound like they know what they're doing, even if they don't. So next time you speak, drop the fillers. No, I think, no, maybe. Say it like it's the law. Want your friend to do something? Don't ask. Say, I need you to do this for me, now. Why does this work? Because our brains are wired to respond to certainty. It signals leadership. And when people sense leadership, they follow. Instinctively. But there's one thing even stronger than certainty, and if you misuse it, it'll destroy your influence forever. It's consistency. If you demand respect, but don't follow through, you lose everything. So only use this trick when you mean it. Because once people catch even one fake command, you're done. Power without trust collapses. Want to know something weird? The real reason people ignore you has nothing to do with you. Should I make a video on the hidden psychology behind why people ignore you? If yes, drop a yes in the comments right now, and I'll create it just for you. But before you go, watch this next video on my channel. They're controlling you without you knowing. It's real. It's dark. And it's already happening to you. Click the end screen now, I'll meet you there.